Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. I've got a Copperhead 60 and she is set up just right, rolling out of the shop today. About to load it up on a trailer and ship it to my man Brad in Illinois. Brad, you got good taste, buddy, because if I was to purchase my own Team G pit one day, I think I'd get her set up just about like this one. So let's check it out. Like I said, Copperhead 60, so we got a 60-inch wide smoke chamber, 24 inches deep. Now this is a reverse flow model. I would tell you about the removable reverse flow plates, but they're not in there right now, so we have to get those in there. And we've got both a lower and an upper sliding cooking grate. So a lot of cooking room on this unit. Got your complimentary fire poker there. Got a stainless steel front shelf, off-road package with the upgraded wheels and tires on there. Those things look slick. 1-inch ball valve grease drain. Come around to the hot box here. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here for a total of 1,776 square inches cook space, guys. That's just because we love America. And now we do have our removable plate in here with daisy wheels, so that lets the hot box run completely independent from the smoke chamber. We do have a little double cup holder set up here. Set your cold snack down while you're cracking open the smoker. Look at those beautiful briskets you're smoking in there. We got a side folding shelf here. Insulated firebox with our fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. It also has a fold down smokestack, guys. You're gonna need that if you wanna roll this thing in and out of your garage. It is tall. D-ring tie down points at all 4 corners. Guys, that is Brad's Copperhead 60, about to load up on a trailer and ship her out. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.